Hey everybody, and welcome to another episode of Carlos Knows Real Estate. My name is Carlos, and today we're going to talk about absorption rate, what it is, and why it's important. So let's get started. Okay, so I get questions all the time as to how hot is the real estate market in Rhode Island, and honestly, I can't even put it into words. So I'm going to use absorption rate as a way to show you how hot this market really is. So let's start with a definition of absorption rate. Absorption rate is a tool used to determine how long it will take to sell a house in a particular real estate market. So how do we calculate it? Well, in order to calculate absorption rate, you need to divide the number of houses available for sale by the number of houses sold in a month. So let's take a look at the data. In the last 3 months, 2,729 single-family homes sold in Rhode Island. If we divide this number by 3, that gives us almost 910 homes sold per month. Okay, so right now there are 548 single-family homes available for sale in the entire state. If we divide that number by the 30 homes sold per day, that means that if no other houses came on the market at all, it would only take 18 days to sell everything that's available, which is an insane amount of houses being sold per day. If we want to know what the percentage of the absorption rate is, it's an astounding 166%. So what does that mean? Well, if you're comparing a seller's market to a buyer's market, a seller's market typically has an absorption rate of 20% or higher, and all available houses sell in less than 6 months. In contrast, a buyer's market has an absorption rate of 15% or lower, and it takes over 6 months to sell all available houses. A neutral market is considered selling all the inventory within 6 months. So like I just explained, Rhode Island has an insane absorption rate of 166%, and it would only take 18 days to sell everything on this market with regards to single-family homes. So today's video was a short video. I hope you guys learned something about the real estate market and what is happening in Rhode Island right now. If you're thinking about selling, I have been in this business for almost 20 years, and I've never seen an absorption rate the way it is now. Inventory is so low, and there's so many buyers out there looking for properties. It's insane. So if you're thinking about selling your home, or if you want to know what your home is worth, give me a call. My contact information is down below. I'll see you guys in the next video.